Hey, we just finished up the tournament. We're gonna show you how we did throughout the whole day, plus have the weigh-ins there at the end of the day, show you who won, what big fish got caught, and all that good stuff. So hang around, watch this video. It's a lot of fun.
I wanna see it. I mean, you're reeling in and out, you just got it.
Right, but if also sticking it out in a place that's not.
It's a double-edged sword. There he goes, there he goes, there he goes. Fish on. Fish on, fish on. He said it ain't what we want. Yeah, it is. It's a fish in the boat. It's a fish in the boat. I just want to get the skunk out of the boat. That's all I want to do. Then we'll get on the bank. Need a bit net.
Probably just to be safe.
Get it out of here. Just tell me when you need to come on back. You can tell how far away you are.
Well, I'm trying not to frame up too fast because we're fishing deep.
Right.
Feels like about 10 pounds.
That's a good fish. We'll take a 10-pounder.
Hope he's a 42-inch 9-pounder.
47-inch 8. Alright. They don't want to get the you gotta come to me. Fish in the boat, skunk out of the boat. Alright, well, we're fishing a tournament this morning on our home waters. It's a link-based tournament, so we gotta get board and get this fish measured.
Yep, so we're gonna get it measured and we'll be back with y'all for the release. Push it down. Go ahead and release him, Daddy. 25-inch fish. So he gets us on the board for the morning.
And he bit me. And he bit me. 25-inch fish. Look at. Been down in the mud.
Yep, pale. Come out about 45 foot of water. It's 52 degrees out here. Hopefully we'll be back with y'all with some more fish here soon.
Man. There it is. Fish, 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 fish. He come off too?
Yeah.
What? Oh, fish, 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 fish.
Stay on?
Nope, just popped off. What the crap? Well, there's just 3 fish in a row, on and off.
I don't know if anybody else is just doing great or... Get him, guys. Get him, get him, get him. Is he on? Fish on. I'll call you right back. See you. Fish on.
We'll have 2 anyway.
Oh, drop my phone down. Get on it. Three fish tournament. I want my 3 fish. How's he feel? He don't look that big. Teener to the same. Hopefully he's decent. Hopefully he's 30.
I've seen him out there now.
He ain't that big, about the same size as the other.
He was down there spinning on me.
Where are you bringing him?
Over the side.
I'll get that. I'll get that. I'm standing. He's all getting the board.
too. Oh, my knee. Good side down right there.
He ain't a very big fish, but he's a fish.
Field measure.
That's it. He's gonna be about 21.
No, he's just a little fish. I guess because he was down there fishing, he felt better than he was.
Just because he's deep and you had the planer board.
Yep.
Any fish felt like a good one right about now. We just had 4 takedowns. Boom, boom, boom. None of them hook up.
He grabbed it and went like he's supposed to.
Hooked good.
Yep.
All right, we'll show the camera and then we'll be back for the release.
There we go.
6,
About
7
a
pounds.
17, 18 inch fish.
Yeah.
Maybe 20.
We'll be back.
Fish ended up being 24 inches. We're in a 3-fish tournament. We've only got 2. We got to get another fish.
Yep, then we can start worrying about culling them if we even get to that point.
Got it? Fish on, fish on.
About the same. Oh, what's that doing?
I just clicked out, left some line out. Well, then I'll sit there and watch it while we get this fish in. Just try to catch up. Alright. Over here closer, and I'll get over here and get it, Eddie.
Here, get over here.
Yeah, I'll have to get on the front side of you.
No, I'll bring you right here.
I know, but okay. It's just easier to dip him if I'm in front of you. You pull him up too. He's in the net. He's in the boat. He's in the boat.
Well, everything's coming deeper today. Randall, Trinity Outdoors, he's catching his shallow, I'm pretty sure. He might be the biggest one of the day. They're all pale and muddy. So we're gonna get him on the board, get our picture taken, and we'll be back with y'all.
There he goes, there he goes, there he goes.
Fish on?
Yeah, fish on.
Fish
Well,
on.
He didn't just come off. He just come off.
Man, that's been the story of it today. How many times has that happened? That's the 10th time that's happened.
There he goes.
Give me that. That's a good one. Fish on?
Yeah, he's on.
There we go. That's a good one.
Yeah, that's a good fish.
Thank you, Lord. Hey, if you gotta bring him in here, bring him in here.
I'll just bring him up far enough.
Do you need me to get that orange one out of the way?
No, I'll just let me bring him up closer, and then we'll lift it up over it. That orange one over there just got hit.
I want to get this fish in here.
He's filming big now.
He looked big here for a minute. Maybe it was just with the planer board pull on it too.
And he's pulling, but he's a lot of head shape.
He'll be better than 24 inches.
I think so.
He ain't pulled no drag, so probably ain't no monster. There he goes, there he goes. Suspenseful after as many takedowns as we've had and them not staying hooked up. It's a nail biter just waiting to, there he is behind it. Oh, good fish, good fish, good fish.
He's a monster, but he's a good fish. Get over here. He's close to 30.
25.
25.
He swam right in the net for us.
He's in the net.
There we go. That's the biggest one of the day. And that's my alarm telling us we need to pack it up. You say 35 inches?
Yeah, maybe.
All right. I'll show the camera and then
Biting me. All right.
we'll be back with the release.
Good fish. I'd say
Oh.
24 pounds. All right. Well, sorry about that. I hit something on the camera, messed it up. We had to double up. Cody's got this one coming in. I need to move anything for you.
No, I just need it.
We just-
All right. We're about out of storage.
Go show that to them. We'll get these two measured and get them released.
Dang, right.
After a day like we've had, a double up right here at the end. Right here at the end of the tournament, we double up. So we're going to have to get them measured. And
I don't want to leave. That's
all right. Show that to them real quick. And
we'll get them measured and released. Right in the corner of the mouth.
there he is.
There it is.
All
Be
right.
back for the release.
All right.
All right, there you go. He's gonna release them. Look, our Atten's whelped up.
Yes, here he's skin up pretty good. This fish 32.5 inches, probably about
Hey, I
About-
took the orange.
about 20, probably 24 pound fish. Let him go. I don't remember how long this was.
24 and a half.
4.5.
He's not gonna help us.
24.5 inch fish. Back in the water.
Great to have a double up here today. We might actually give it another 5-10 minutes here. But we'll be back to let y'all know how the day ended and how the tournament ended.
Oh, there it is.
Good fish.
Well, of course, you can't hardly tell here, but you got such short.
That was a
lines.
beautiful takedown. I hope the camera gets that. Daddy telling me we need to leave. I said, no, Daddy. We gotta stay.
I get I don't know. I can't tell much about it. He's shaking his head like crazy, man. He's still green because this line's so short.
Thank you, upgraded.
There we go. He's in the boat.
All right. Well, we'll have to reel in after we measure him. There we go. Well, I hope we're in the money, but if we're not, we had a blessed day. All y'all that are still watching this with us, y'all are awesome. It's been a frustrating day because I mean we've not had a lack of bites. We've had a ton of takedowns, but we're gonna get it measured. Daddy, hold it up here for him to see. Those extended rods, as Donnie'd call them, leave the fish plenty lively because they just come from right there. They don't have to fight you at all. Throw that overboard. All right.
Now he's wrapped up in the thing on me.
He's probably 18 pounds. Ow! 17, 18 pounds.
He's a biter. He's a biter.
There we go. We're gonna get it on the bump board and we'll be back with you.
All right, this one was 29.5 inches long. We're gonna get him back in the water. We're gonna get reeled in and get over to the check-in and see how everybody else done. We'll be back with y'all.
Yep, we'll talk. I know somebody caught a monster today. I've done seen it. So we'll talk to him and we'll talk to the winner of the tournament. So stay with us. All right, I'm here with Shannon Oxner. He caught the biggest fish of the day by quite a ways. He caught a toad. So that was awesome. He also ended up with 3rd place. So what'd you end up catching your PB on day?
I ended up catching it on a big chunk of sucker about that big with a double hook rig and a huge one of the oversized orange floats.
There you go.
And homemade dragon weights and
There you go.
Parks planer boards.
Parks planer boards. There we go. Well, so you was dragging when you caught it?
I was dragging in 7 foot of water.
There we go. You can't beat that. Well, Shannon's taking home some money today. He tripled his money, I believe, doubled it at least, 2.5 times as much. So that ain't a bad day, and I think he had a good time.
Not a bad day at all, and a wonderful time with you guys. I appreciate you putting it on.
All right. Well, tell us your social media so everybody can come watch you.
Social media is under Shannon Oxner. It's AKA Hippie Catfishing. Just go in there and search Shannon Oxner, SHANNONOXNER, and hit that follow button. I appreciate it.
Yeah, and you'll have pictures and everything at Big Fish.
I will put up pictures, and I got some videos and everything.
There you go. Y'all want to see that? I'm telling you, it was a toad.
It was.
All right. Thank you, Shannon.
Thank you, buddy.
Appreciate it, man.
I tell you, if I was gonna get beat by somebody, I'd just soon it be y'all as anybody.
So here we go. We're here with Trinity Outdoors. We got Zebco 33. We got Devin the Destroyer, and we got Big Papa Trinity right here. So I was just sitting here saying how Lee Evans told me we didn't stand a chance against them, and I honestly believed him, but we lucked up and got one over on them, but they had a great showing. They had a great day. What was the key to success today?
I feel I anchored up on channel ledges, and lost one good fish in the channel, and the rest of them come off the flats. But persistence. Persistence. I mean, y'all know it was a slow bite today, and it was just keeping persistent and patient.
Well, he says it's a slow bite, but every time I called him, he was yelling, "Fish on!" Daddy told me, he said, "Don't call him no more." So, well, go ahead and give us your social media because everybody's going to want to see what y'all did today.
Yeah. Trinity Outdoors on YouTube or Facebook, either one.
There you go.
It used to be Whisker Seekers, but a lot of everybody knows that my channel got deleted and I had to start a new one, and we did. And I said when we started a new one, we was coming back with a vengeance. And so far it's been good, and I appreciate everybody that's helped get me there. I appreciate y'all for what y'all have done and helped with and everything. Appreciate you. And Jeremy
Thank you.
too. Yeah, and Jeremy and Fin Seeker TV, Jeremy Colvin. Or Joey Cobbler.
Yep, Joey Cobbler. Well, hey guys, thank y'all for coming out.
I appreciate it.
Ever since we mentioned that we were going to do this, they were all in, and he actually brought a couple friends that brought boats with him too. So the success of the tournament was a lot on their shoulders. So go over, give them a follow, You'll like what you see. Hey, so we ended up winning today. I can't believe it. I'm elated over it.
I can't believe it either.
And he was only 3 inches out of the money, Jeremy was. But it was a great day. We had just a great group of guys out here, and I don't think you could have went any better for the first one. Pretty excited about how it went. Set aside from us lucking into a win, just how it went all together. It went off without a hitch. I'm very happy about that. So I don't know. I don't know what else to say about it other than I'm happy.
Yeah.
Larry's game plan worked out.
Y'all watch the video. You see persistence paid off, and we kept downsizing our bait to catch fish. Just got to stay with them. Grind, grind, grind.
Yeah. That's it.
Thank y'all for watching, and as we always say, it's God, family, and the great outdoors. God bless.
Hey guys, do you like my people channel? Go click another one videos and watch them, please.